Welcome to the HIPAA Privacy for Healthcare Plans and Employers course. As technology advances and medical records become easier to share, especially by electronic means, the potential for information leaks and abuses increases as well. In 1999, a Michigan-based health system accidentally posted the medical records of thousands of patients on the Internet. That same year, the health insurance claims forms of thousands of patients blew out of a truck on its way to a recycling center in East Hartford, Connecticut. How would you feel if, without your permission, your medical information were passed on to a lender who could then deny your application for a home mortgage? Or to a prospective employer who could use such information to make hiring decisions? Or let's say a few weeks after you saw a doctor for some routine tests, you received a letter from a drug company promoting a treatment for your high cholesterol. How important is the privacy of your personal information? Safeguarding protected health information, PHI, is extremely important. The purpose of this course is to inform you of the content of the HIPAA Privacy Rule and how it affects your workplace. Although you may not be directly employed in the medical field, protecting a client's PHI is an important aspect of your work. It is important to understand that the personal information handled by you and your colleagues is protected by law and should be treated as such. After successfully completing this course, you'll be able to describe the purpose and background of the HIPAA Privacy Rule, as well as the organizations that are influenced by this rule. Describe the security regulations that apply to covered entities under the HIPAA Security Standard Final Rule. Identify acceptable uses and disclosures of PHI. Define plan sponsor and describe which PHI is acceptable to be revealed to a plan sponsor, and explain summary health information and identifying how they relate to the HIPAA Privacy Rule. After successfully completing this course, you will also be able to recognize the personal rights that each individual possesses regarding his or her PHI. Identify the flexibility and limitations that are given to health plans in creating their own privacy procedures. Distinguish between what a covered entity should or should not do when handling PHI, and determine in what ways an employer should be concerned with the HIPAA Privacy Rule.